What's going on, everybody? Today I wanted to go over Sofi's earnings. It just released earlier today. The market's definitely reacting positively to it. Revenue definitely beat close to 30 million actually, so that's a great sign. They gave forward guidance that's good. However, their EPS did miss. But because of their revenue beat and because of the good forward guidance, the market took this reported earnings positively. But we're going to look into it and I'll leave you all the links down below. And coming up later today, I'll give you guys a cut up version of their earnings call just to make it a little bit easier to listen to. Sometimes these earnings calls can drag up to a half hour, even an hour long. So hopefully I'll cut it up. I don't know how long it is yet, but it'll be a portion of the original size of the earnings call. So stick around for that and let's get into it. Now they did report 419 million in revenue, which is up over 50% year over year. Their EBITDA was 44 million, which is up over 300% year over year and 118% sequentially or quarter over quarter. Very nice new member adds. We're talking 424,000 new members, with the quarter end total members up 61% year over year. Now a grand total of 4.7 million. They have new product adds of 635,000, which is a quarter end total of 69% year over year. Now a total of 7.2 million. And of course, a sigh of relief, management raised their full year 2022 guidance, which I believe this is actually the third time in a row quarter over quarter that they've been continuing to raise guidance. Definitely a good sign. And as said by the CEO, we delivered another quarter of record financial results with robust growth in members, products, and cross-buy. We generated our 6th consecutive quarter of record adjusted revenue, which was up 51% year over year. We also generated record EBITDA, which more than doubled sequentially for the second consecutive quarter. Strength across all three of our business segments: lending, technology, platform, and financial services. They drove our record third quarter adjusted net revenue of 419 million and record adjusted EBITDA of over 44 million. And he goes on to talk about the bank charter and says, our bank charter is enabling new flexibility that has proven even more valuable in light of the current macro environment. And the economic benefits are already starting to materialize and positively impact our operating and financial results. Total deposits grew 86% during the quarter to 5 billion at quarter end, and 85% of Sofi money deposits are from direct deposit members. And of these new direct deposit accounts opened in the third quarter, the median FICO score was 750. And another great sign, half of newly funded Sofi money accounts are setting up direct deposit by day 30, compared to only 37% in the second quarter. Going into their outlook, management now expects their full year revenue to be around 1.517 to 1.522 billion, which is up from 1.508 billion to 1.513 billion. So a few $1 million increase, and they expect their full year adjusted EBITDA of 115 to 120 million, which is up from 104 to 109 million previously. And this is the third quarter of a positive revision to their full year guidance, despite extensions of the student loan moratorium throughout the year. And I haven't listened to the earnings call yet, but if you guys did, let me know in the earnings call actually what they mentioned about it. I'm about to get to the earnings call once I finish this video, but if you guys got to it before me, let me know in the comments. And if you want the full earnings, I will leave you guys a link down below for that. And if I remember, I'll leave you guys a link somewhere to the next video I'm going to upload regarding Sofi's earnings call. You'll notice we had a nice spike on Sofi on this earnings, but before that, we did have a breakout of this wedge pattern. We retested it, bounced, and then came into earnings. It was either going to drop right through it if earnings was bad. Instead, we broke out of our previous resistance of 577, and we will see if $6 tries to hold as a support. With this current market, stocks are not getting a chance to run, and I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of this gets taken back, unfortunately. And in the end, they are still not profitable yet, and during this macro environment, Wall Street does not want to touch stocks that are not profitable. And if you're willing to bet and believe that Sofi will eventually reach profitability just like I do, then the last few months and even the coming months will likely continue to be a great buying opportunity for Sofi. But that's all I got for you guys now, just a quick earnings video. Stay tuned if you want a cut up, cleaned up version of their earnings call. Thanks as always, guys, and take it easy.